Boom. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. Today, guys, look at this, guys. Look at this right in front of you. $6,006. I'm up on the day. 3,040 in Tesla. This is the same concept we went through yesterday in Day Trading University Part 1 in automation. And I banked so hard today, guys. And I'm so grateful that I was able to give you the lesson yesterday. And it just feels like, what I'm teaching is going in the right direction, guys, because we banked together today, and it just feels so good. So thank you for being here. I'm going to walk you through this. For those of you that haven't looked at the seminar yet, I hope that this video gives you the opportunity to look into the educational materials that I put out there, guys. All right. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. Hey, Yusuf, Charles, Outlier, welcome to the Trading Wars Army, my friends. Thank you so much for subscribing. And we are I think we're one member away, one more member in the Trading Wars Army, and I'll do a live stream on Friday. Let's go. Mike, Bill, Dr. D, John, Wesley, Derek, Becky, Worldwide, Hui, Gus, T, Isabel, Juan, Trading Wars Army strong in the building. Hit me with a 5 if you can hear me loud and clear. And let's go ahead and recap this. Hanuk, Jay Sosa, good to see you. All right, guys. So first and foremost, here you go. I spent 8 hours yesterday and I redid the study notes for the class, and look how beautiful they are right now. So I'm going to copy and paste this. You can get this at tradingwars.com resources, completely free, guys. I'm going to paste it into the chat right now. And we redid this whole lesson on automation. I really, really love how it came out. So you see what is automation, when to use the strategy, what instruments can be used, why do I trade with automation? And here's an example of NU, and I'm going to look at Tesla today and walk you guys through this. This is beautiful, guys. Hit me with a 10 if you enjoy this, if this was helpful for you. And let's go into Tesla today. Okay, so with Tesla, let's go ahead and talk about why we took the trade. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to go to the YouTube. And guys, if you want to join the army, you can look to hit that join button right below, okay? Hit that join button right below the video. It's $4.99. if you're looking to join the army. So let me show you guys right here. So yesterday we had Tesla. So as you can see, guys, I posted Tesla to the YouTube and I posted Tesla on the Twitter. So I'm going to walk you through this one step by step here. Okay. So Tesla is right here yesterday. So make sure you are subscribed. Okay. And make sure you follow the Twitter as well. So the reason we wanted to trade Tesla is because we had an automated trigger set up, big box, small box. We had an open gap below. So let's go ahead and let's set the stage for Tesla. So we'll hit the replay. How many of you guys bank with Tesla? Hit me with a 5 if you did. I know so many people DM me today. Hey, Rich, I banked on Tesla. I banked on Tesla. All right. So what we had on Tesla here, guys, we had a big box, small box strategy. So this was the range on Monday, and this was the range on Tuesday. So what this creates here, guys, is an inside bar. And if you look at this, if we draw these connecting lines here, what you'll see is we have a pennant pattern here connecting of the range. The range is getting tighter and tighter and tighter. And if we actually look below us, okay, if I go to like an hourly chart here, what you'll see, guys, below is there's an open gap all the way back here. There's an open gap all the way over here. Let's go ahead and draw a line right there. Let's go back to the 5. So that's one of the reasons why I wanted to trade Tesla, because I see the range getting tighter. And what I'm trying to do is take advantage of this tight range and take a breakout. And that's when we use the automation. Okay. That's when we use this setup here. Okay. So I inputted 2 levels here. Long was above 163 and short was below 159.22. So let's go ahead and draw that. Okay. So our long line. So let's get rid of the arrow so we can clean up the chart. Okay. So, oops. 163 and 159.22. 163. And if you haven't watched the video yesterday explaining the strategy, guys, please do. It's a great video. 159.22. I'll put this in red. All right, let's just make sure I got the right ones. All right, so let's go. Okay, so there's 3 possible scenarios here. Okay, the first one is we open in the middle. The second one is we gap up here. The third one is we gap down. So let's play the first bar and see what happened. First bar came in. Boom. So we see here, guys, we opened inside. See, we're inside of the range and we hit the red line. So what happens there? When we set this up the night before, what happens when we touch the red line? Is that bullish or bearish? Are we long or are we short? Hit me with the 1 for long, hit me with the 2 for short. What happens here, guys? So what happens here, guys, I'm going to clean up the chart now, is right here, when we cross that red line, we're in the position short. And this is how I made $3,000. So once we're in this position short here, now we're looking to break the box. So there's the box right there, the low, and then we start to collapse. This one was clean, guys. So much people DM me and message me today, all right? So this drop right here, guys, scaling out on the way down. Let me just hit the fast forward button. Really, really nice play. So luckily today, guys, I was able to actually sell. Let me get my targets. So the only difference between the Discord for the stocks and the YouTube is that in the Discord, I actually put my stop loss targets and the options as well. So the first target was 164.27. So go ahead and draw that. Oh, that's the long. Sorry, let me get the short. Short was 157.95. All right, and I also post that from time to time for the Army members. Okay, so 157.95. So that was my first target. And what I did here, guys, is I used a box inflection strategy. So if I take the box, this is the previous day's range. I copy the box and I mirror the box like that. The 100% of this box was my final take profit. So I multiplied the range. So here's the range. Copy it, and I pasted it, and the bottom of that box was my final target. Hit me with the 15 if that makes sense. All right. And that what I'm using is the range of yesterday, and I'm extrapolating it. So it's kind of like an average true range type of profit taking method. So there it is, guys. 3,040 right off the bat there. Boom, got filled, took it down. But what I'm most grateful about, it's not about me making $6,000. This has been my best month of the year. I think I've made $17,000 this month. Okay. There's a few more days left in the month. So I don't want to jinx anything, but this has been my best month in a very long time. And what I care about the most is the fact that I'm sharing my journey with you guys and educating you guys along the way. That's what means something to me, because if you sit in your fancy apartment or your fancy condo, your fancy house, and you make millions of dollars and there's no one to share it with, or there's no one to enjoy life with, or you're such a greedy person, you don't want to help nobody, what's the point? Hit me with a 5 if you understand what I'm saying. The legacy that I will leave behind, because I came from nothing, guys. I came from the gutters. I came from an immigrant family, okay? I used to deliver flowers when I was growing up. I used to work midnight to 8 a.m. There's no better feeling than succeeding but helping those around you, and the universe will understand and recognize that, and it'll multiply it and send it 100 times more to you. That you have to understand that concept. The moment when I got on YouTube, started sharing my journey with 5 people, with 2 people, with 3 people, my life has never been the same. So thank you so much for giving me your time and being here. And in return for your time, I will give you the decade of trading that I have under my belt. I will give it to you. Okay. Thank you, guys. All right. So there we go. So that was the Tesla play. And then I want to go ahead and look at SPY. So we did the same thing with SPY today. Okay. So with SPY, I'm going to hit the replay. And I really think, guys, if you are trading these type of automated trading, it's going to help you a lot, because you just focus on one single trade. It's either it goes long or it's either it goes short. That's it. Okay. And that's why I think it's so powerful. So let's go ahead and let's look at the SPY one. So the SPY one, I posted it last night. So we want to short at 406.53. Okay. So let's go ahead and do that. And then I'm going to show the futures to wrap it up. So I'm trying to show you every possible scenario here. Okay. So 406.53 was our level. And then you can see here's the live commentary. So you can see here, good morning, friends. Inside open so far. Our short trigger is 406.53. It may fill at the open, so be ready. So we ended up going short at 943 on SPY. So it took some time here. Watch this now. Okay. So here we go. Boom. So notice we opened above the level. So nothing happens at this point. Okay. When you don't break the level, nothing happens. So we just wait. There's our fill. It went sideways for a little bit here, guys. And then finally, boom, it took off. Okay. So on this push right here, this little push here, we were able to take some profits on the way down. And I didn't take the V trigger. So a V trigger is when we break back up the level and then we come back through. So in this case, we came back through again. So you could have played that level twice, but I only played it that one time in the morning, and I was happy to take my $6,000 and just be happy with it. All right. So you can see right here, max stop loss is in, short trigger, patience is key, looking for yesterday's low. Team, yesterday's low smash, one of my best days of the year. Hit me with a 20 if you guys are following me. All right, so that's it, guys. So I put the updated study notes. I love when we're banking and trading together, guys. Make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube, and you're going to get free picks every single day. If you want the premium picks, guys, just hit the join button right here. Okay, it should be at the bottom of the video. If you hit join, $4.99 a month, and you can see I already post exclusive content to the Trading Wars Army. I'm looking for one more person to join the army, and I will do a live stream on Friday. Just one more person, all right? So you could be that person, okay? I also want to talk about the book deal. All right. So since I'm doing these classes and I've been writing this content for you guys, I'm also doing a special promotion. Anybody watching these, anybody that has given me their time in the university. So you have to at least watch a video, like or comment, guys. Do something with the content because I need it to go viral. I need it to change people's lives. I need your help to expand the consciousness. I need your help to get, when I was in school, when I was in university, when I was studying finance, when I got my CPA, nobody talked about day trading. Nobody talked about risk management. Nobody talked about these things because they don't want you to know. Why would they want you to know how to not work in the 9-to-5 system? Why? That's the point. And this content, I wanted to get to the world. All right, guys. So right now, if you buy any one of my 3 books, it's in 30 days in the Discord, you'll get 60 days, double the trouble. You'll get my indicators for life. All right. So I'm doing that as long as you're watching videos, showing the support. Double the time. It says 1 month, you'll get 60 days. I'll take care of you guys. There we go. That's our one more right there. Port Gas E-Ace. That's the man right there, guys. We'll be doing a live stream on Friday. I'll go live for like an hour or so. I'm going to find a spot. Boom, another one. BD. All right. Hey, and another one. Brian. Okay, there we go. Power of community right there, guys. Send the Trading Wars Army Spy VIP. Send some rockets. Thank you, guys. So we'll do a special stream on Friday. Trying to find you guys some good fibs, some good setups. We're going to look at the market. So we'll probably try to do it around 1 o'clock. Okay, 1 o'clock Eastern. So be ready, and I'll be ready for you guys. Thank you so much, guys. That was crazy right there. All right, that's it, man. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you guys banked. I'll be posting some pics soon. Take care. Leave a comment, like, subscribe. Give me some more ideas for lessons you want. So the next lesson I have, which I'll probably be doing next week, the next lesson that I have is going to be Fibonacci focused. But share with me the topics you want. So I know there's things I need to talk about: risk management, position sizing, opening range breakout, fibs. We said we're going to talk about swing trading, scalping. There's probably at least 8 or 9 topics I can think of from the top of my head that we're going to do courses on and we're going to do materials on. But thank you again for your time, my friends. Love and appreciate you guys. Have a great day.